Welcome to the installation tutorial for your Amazon FireStick. First, we're going to go through the items that come in the box and a quick installation. Inside the box, the FireStick itself is going to look like this. It's going to have an HDMI connection here and a micro USB connection here. Your power brick, your power cord. This additional dongle, which you can use, but you don't have to, and we'll discuss that in a second. And then, of course, your remote. The reason I say the installation dongle is optional is it's an HDMI port. You can simply connect these two here, but again, you don't have to. Your TV should be HDMI capable, and you'll be able to plug the FireStick in directly. The only reason you'd want to use this additional piece is perhaps the power cord is in the way, or perhaps the connection is difficult to get to, and this gives you the mobility to move the FireStick, whereas if you're going directly into the TV, you're not going to have that. But use of it is completely optional and up to you. So the first thing you're going to want to do is connect your FireStick to power. In my case, I happen to have a power strip here right behind the TV. So my USB connection is going to go right into my power brick, and then my micro USB is going to go here. And then you need to find an HDMI port on the back of your TV. It doesn't matter which one. I always recommend the one that's easiest for you to get to. It might take a few minutes, but once it's powered on, this should be the startup screen that you see. First step is let's go through the remote and some of the key buttons you're going to use for the rest of the installation. In the middle, it doesn't look like a button, but it is the OK button. It's a circle. There's action arrows around this ring. Those are also going to be very helpful. And then, of course, this middle button here that looks like a house is your home button. That is what it's asking us to do here, is to press the home button. At this step, you will want to press the play button located directly below the home button. On this screen, you can select your preferred language. You'll notice it auto defaults to English. On this screen, you will need to select your home Wi-Fi network and enter the password to connect to the internet. Your Amazon FireStick does require you to have an Amazon account. If you already have an Amazon account, you may simply select, I already have an account. If you are new to Amazon and you have never set up an account, you will need to select, I am new to Amazon, and you can set one up through the FireStick. If you have entered everything correctly, you should see a welcome screen. At this point, you can simply select Continue, and again, press that middle OK button. On this screen, you can simply select Yes, or again, that middle OK button. If you want to use parental controls, you can simply select the Enable Parental Controls. If not, it should already be default to no parental controls, and you simply select OK. On this screen, simply select OK or Next. This step allows you to test that your remote is synced to your TV. At this point, you can use your volume up and volume down buttons to hear the music in the background. As long as everything's working as it should, you can simply select Yes or OK. At this point, if you use other streaming services and you want to use those on this Amazon FireStick, you can set them up now, or you can wait and do that from the home screen. But for ease of operation today, we're just going to select No Thanks and go to the app for our provider. This is the Amazon FireStick's home screen. This is the screen you should see most times when you power on your TV. To locate our provider's app, I'm going to use the arrow keys on the top, and I'm going to go to the search feature, and then enter my provider's app name. Once you start to type your provider's name, it should show up below and be highlighted. If not, just arrow down and press the OK button. You should see your provider's app at this point in time. And again, just select the OK button to go ahead and download. Simply select the OK button to download this app. On this screen, you will need to enter the username and password provided to you at the time of your sign up. If you have any problems signing up at this point, please contact your provider.